Welcome to Crypto Unpacked, the show where we break down the big ideas in the digital asset space. I'm Alex.
And I'm Ben. Today we're tackling a really bold prediction making the rounds about one of crypto's most well-known projects, Cardano, or ADA. The claim is a short-term surge to $2,
Okay.
followed by a potential moonshot to $10.
Wow, it's an audacious forecast, and it's based on a compelling, a multi-layered argument. The first piece of the puzzle is this idea that the entire market is shifting into what's known as an altcoin season.
For anyone new to that term, think of the crypto market like a tide. For a long time, the tide has been high for Bitcoin.
Lifting it up, yep.
Right, lifting it up. Altcoin season is when that tide goes out, flowing from Bitcoin and into hundreds of other smaller projects.
The altcoins.
The altcoins. The video we analyze points to the Bitcoin dominance chart, a key indicator of this tide, showing signs that this exact shift is happening right now.
So the stage is set for altcoins to perform. But the next crucial question is, why would Cardano be a star performer?
Right.
This is where the argument gets really interesting. A major point is a potential nod from the U.S. government.
And this is a potential game changer. A proposed piece of legislation called the Clarity Act aims to define what a mature and decentralized blockchain is. The analysis suggests Cardano is one of only 3 projects, alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum, that currently fits the bill.
Wow.
In a market clouded by regulatory uncertainty, that's like getting a golden ticket.
It absolutely is. It signals safety and legitimacy to bigger investors.
Exactly.
This leads to the third layer, the technical charts. The analyst points to a pattern called a rounded bottom on Cardano's price chart. Ben, how would you describe that to someone who's never seen a chart before?
Okay, imagine a skateboarder in a halfpipe. They go down one side, coast along the flat bottom building momentum, and then start curving up the other side for a launch. That's what the chart looks like.
Okay, I get it.
It's a long, slow, momentum-building curve that's now pointing upwards. On top of that, it's breaking through a ceiling.
Ceiling?
A downtrend line that has held it down for years. And the last time it broke a similar ceiling, the price tripled.
Whoa, so you have the market wind at your back, a potential regulatory green light, and technical signals flash and go. It's a powerful combination. This brings us to the price targets. The $2 prediction is based on a standard technical projection. And you hesitate, but Ben, that $10 target, that feels like a different universe.
It's definitely the boldest part of the call. It's based on the idea of history rhyming. The analyst applied the same projection model that accurately predicted Bitcoin's last major peak. Essentially, it argues that if Cardano follows a similar path of growth in this market cycle,
Then what?
then $10 is the logical destination.
Let's put that in perspective. A $10 Cardano would give it a market value of around $350 billion. That sounds huge, but it's actually less than where its main competitor, Ethereum, is valued today. So while it's a massive leap, it's not an entirely impossible number within the context of the market.
That's the key. It's ambitious, but not absurd when you contextualize it. For me, the most compelling part is how the fundamental story and the technical picture support each other. You have this narrative of Cardano being the comeback kid, weathering the crypto winter, getting this huge potential validation from regulators.
Yeah.
And now the charts are reflecting that growing optimism.
I agree. The story gives the chart patterns meaning. However, it's our job to add a dose of healthy skepticism.
Of course.
The video presents a perfect scenario. Our own look at the market shows that while many analysts are bullish on Cardano, their 2025 price targets are more often in the $1.50 to $3 range. The $10 call is a true outlier.
Right.
It's representing the most optimistic bull case.
A very important distinction. For that $10 target to be hit, it's not just about Cardano. It assumes the entire crypto market goes on an absolutely historic run over the next few years. It's a fascinating and well-argued roadmap, but it's just one possible future.
Exactly. It's a picture of what could happen if all the stars align perfectly. Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about. If a project like Cardano does get a clear regulatory green light from the US, does that fundamentally change its nature from a speculative tech asset into something more akin to a traditional blue chip investment?